Is it your best friend's birthday?
Be a pet hero.
Make them a birthday cake. Here's how. Aloha family and welcome.
The joys of cooking. Baby Felix turns 3 years old.
The big 3-0. We're making an epic birthday cake for this handsome young man using fresh fish and other healthy goodies. This healthy recipe is great for both kitty cats and doggies alike. Family, always use fresh, organic ingredients and they will love you forever. We start by steaming our fish. We're using 1 pound, 454 grams of locally caught snapper, steamed the fish, 210 degrees Fahrenheit, 99 degrees Celsius. While the fish is steaming, quinoa next. We cook a ½ cup organic quinoa in 2 cups of our fish stock. Water, it's okay. If you want to be a rock star, buy a whole fish, break it down, and make fish stock. And if you don't know how to do that, our epic seafood feast show, bring the quinoa up to a boil. It's been around 7 minutes, and now we remove our steamed fish. Bellissimo. Look at that beautiful goodness. While the fish is getting nice and cool, we have 2 ounces, 60 grams of carrots steamed for 12 minutes. And now we check our carrots. I'm using a kebab stick. Once the stick goes into the carrot, a little bit of resistance. Fishy carrots, mucho bueno. Put them in the refrigerator. Chef hack, steam all your ingredients. If you boil your ingredients, it will dilute the flavor and the nutrients will wither away into the atmosphere. Yes, it will. Keep on cooking. While the quinoa is having a cooking party, 3 eggs for this pet birthday bash cake. We separate our yolk from our egg white. Egg, always hit it on its side. Never crack it on the dish because you get eggshell goes inside. Straight professional and go from yolk to yolk. Play with your food like I like to do it and go shell like that. Egg whites are healthier for pets. Stir our quinoa. Once your steamed fish and carrots are nice and cold, then we dice. That dice. Very nice. Our beautiful small diced carrot. Our quinoa is looking very nice. 5 more minutes on the quinoa. Very beautiful, very nice. We cut the fish. Baby Felix approves. So we cube up half and then the other half break into tiny pieces. This is Baby Felix. Every single time we're cooking a show. Baby Felix takes his job seriously. Once our beautiful fish is combined just like so, we place steamed fish mix, diced carrots back in the refrigerator. Our quinoa is done. We put it on a dish. This aquatic quinoa, you don't want it al dente, you want it nice and soft so our pet child can digest it better. Once the aquatic quinoa is finished, we put it in the fridge and let it cool down. And now we start on our egg whites. The egg whites are cold, so MC Fluff here is gonna fluff these egg whites till they're nice and beautiful. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
And they should look like this. That's exactly what you want.
You're so beautiful to me.
Make sure all your ingredients 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius. Remember family, salt is no bueno and can be poisonous for your pet child. With 6 ounces, 170 grams of canned wild-caught Alaskan salmon. Make sure the canned salmon is in water and not in any kind of oil. And now we mix the salmon, the snapper, and our carrots, and our quinoa, nice and cool. Surprise! Mix all these cold ingredients together. We're splitting half of the mix. Michelle loves these cakes as well. If you haven't seen the epic seafood feast, I highly suggest you check it out. The half for Michelle, that's going in the fridge. And then we're gonna finish up our kitty cat, baby doggy birthday cake. We add our cold, fluffy egg whites to the mix. Look at that, some like wet crayon. I made this cake for Baby Felix last year and he went cuckoo for Cocoa Puff. Yes, he did. And then we fold. This looks magnifico. This is perfect. The mix looks very nice. And now we're gonna shape these beautiful cakes. We have our pan heating up at 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 83 degrees Celsius. This cake will change your pet's life. We place these beautiful cylinders of pet greatness into the pan. No oil, a nice, very light sear. Now we place the beautiful cake pie pan. And now, family, we go into the oven for exactly 15 minutes. As a great parent, I always give my child the bowl so he can lick it. Baby Felix approves this message. It's been 15 minutes, and now we take those beautiful cakes out of the oven. Look at that. Very nice. Very beautiful. Throw the entire tray inside the icebox, aka refrigerator. And now, family, we plate this beautiful cake. The cake is complete. The beautiful fish stock right on top to give it a little moisture. One last touch, king salmon oil. Happy birthday to you. Family, be kind to yourself and each other, especially your pets. Take care. Aloha. That's all, folks. Peace. Good boy. Baby doggy. I actually tested it out on our neighbor's kitty cat. The kitty cat requested not to be filmed, and I respected its wishes.